What's up, guys? Okay, this is gonna probably be the craziest thing I've ever done as far as trying to fix something. So we had an Xbox One controller. This is a guitar string inside of the hole right here. This is the piece that I broke out of it that was in the thumb thing. So we're gonna slide that down on this deal here, and we're gonna glue it. And hopefully the string will keep this thing centered up and keep it from snapping off again. So it's really touchy, but anyway, you did this thing in here, and basically I think the only thing that's going to keep it from breaking again is the guitar string. So it's kind of, I don't know, these are so damn cheap. I can't believe they could charge like so much money for these things. So anyways, there you go.